Hello everyone, this is semi-integrated streetlight with inbuilt 24Ah battery, microwave sensor, red indication LED, green indication LED. Red LED will indicate the battery status. If the battery is low, red LED will blink. If the battery is stable, red LED will be on. During the charging, green LED will blink. If the charging is full, green LED is stable. This is the wiring connection. This is for solar panel with lugs. This is for switch. Always ensure switch should be connected first before connecting the solar panel. Now we will connect the switch. Make sure the switch terminals are tightened. After 3 seconds red LED will be on, then 5 seconds LED PCB will be on. Now we will show the solar charging and dusk-dawn voltages. For that we have set up regulated power supply. Now we will connect the regulated power supply. So solar is connected. Dusk-dawn happened. Green LED is on. We can see the charging here. Now we will reduce the solar panel voltage to check the dusk-dawn voltage. Three volt. When the solar panel voltage is less than 3, light will on. Now we will increase the solar panel voltage to greater than 6. Now the 6.6 we have kept. Dusk-dawn is happened. Next we will show the another setup that will show the battery boost voltage. That means if the battery is low because of the BMS shutdown, how it will take the solar charging next day.